Hi friends, that's Alex from DataStax, and today we are going to do a practical step of Cassandra application development workshop, application development with Java, and the practical step for today is accessors. What's the accessors and how do we use them in application development? How do we simplify development and make our code more maintainable and clean? We will show today. So today we work on our application killer video. Maybe you have heard about it already. That's our reference application where we show Cassandra development with Java, Python, C# or JavaScript. In this case, we are going to use Java application. And what we are going to do today, we will work a little bit with comments for our videos. First thing I'm going to open is our killer video node. It runs and we can fetch some comments, write some new comments. So it works. If I update the page, you will see my comments. It works. What's wrong then? Let me show you. I go to Eclipse gem, our integrated development environment for this practical step. And that's a web-based Eclipse. That's comment service. And we have a method called get video comments. And though technically it works, I don't like how it looks. That's a general principle. Very important principle. Keep your controllers clean and short. Do as less possible job there as possible, because only extracting repeated code to some special services or accessors, like in our case, make your application more clean, maintainable, and supportable by your future colleagues and your own in the future. So we do a lot of manual job here. We make these setups, we get prepared statements and so on and so forth. Some extra checks. We can do it better. To implement our approach with accessor, I'm going to write a comment accessor right here. So it will be a comment accessor Java. And good thing, code what I will need for this one is written already. So first of all, let's talk for a moment what's going on inside. First of all, we declare this comment accessor as a part of a package killer video service. When we import some dependencies, Java standard universal unique identifier, our own killer video schemas and comments by videos we need here, and then that's important thing, mappings. Mappings and annotations for our DataStax Java driver for Cassandra. And then how do we use that? First, we declare a public interface called comment accessor, and it uses annotation accessor. What's the part here? What's the job? This annotation accessor will specify what this interface is an accessor, pretty obvious. So when DataStax driver will know how to combine them together. And then for the method called get comments by video, we declare a method here, which returns a result set for comments by video and accepts parameter video ID, which is unique ID, call it video ID, And the most important part, the magic comes, it's the annotation called query. Notice, which fills this method for us, reads the query from this query annotation, and then fetches the data as we desire here. That's very simple. So we are going to load video ID, comment ID, user ID, comment text. We are going to convert to timestamp comment ID, so we can expect comment ID to be not just UUID, but time UUID, which is even better because it stores information about the creation of the comment. We are going to load it from our key space, our table comments by video, using video ID as a parameter. Very simple. Then we can rework comment service. Instead of doing this set of manual job, I simply can throw it away because guys from our developer relations team already did this job for us. Thanks guys. We can use this code. A little bit of code style because I want it to be very obvious for us. So just to keep things obvious. First line, we make an assertion checking with our preconfigured validator request, and if request is not valid, so we aren't getting valid video ID, then we will just return error immediately. Then we create this comment accessor, exactly the class we just created, interface, sorry. So manager creates this accessor for us, no extra job required. We define required things for us. So video ID, of course, we are going to fetch video ID from request, convert it to string, and we will need video comments response builder to build video comments response. When we execute method getCommentsByVideo of our Shiny accessor, giving the video ID and getting the result. Then for these results we make a little conversion because we have to convert time from UUID into real date, normal Java date, and when we add these comments to the response, and the job is done. I'm going to close running instance of a killer video and recompile it again with our changes. If I made any mistakes, compilation will fail. So let's hope together I did no mistakes. Looks better and better. Okay, so renewed backend runs and we can go and update this page. Yes. Our comments are here. Accessors is the great way to make your code more maintainable, human readable, make it clean and simple. Thank you for watching us.